Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Buffered Writer class in Java character IO streams. So first of all, let us have a small revise. What are IO streams in Java? IO. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream means flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input stream, and second one, output stream. So what are input stream? So input streams are nothing but reading streams. They will read the data from source to the Java program, and generally the source is keyboard. From keyboard we will accept or read the data into Java program. And second one is output streams. So output streams are nothing but writing streams. So in writing streams we write the data from Java program onto the destination, and generally the destination is monitor or display or our output screen. And to work with IO streams, we have java.io package. In this java.io package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes, using which we can perform reading operations and writing operations efficiently in a Java program. So now coming to BufferedWriter class, which is character IO stream in Java. So basically, Java IO streams are classified into two types. Classification. First one, byte streams. So under byte streams, we can perform reading operation or writing operation in a Java program 1 byte at a time. For example, we have input stream abstract class, output stream abstract class, and its subclasses. So all these classes comes under byte streams. So these classes and its methods are used to perform reading or writing operations 1 byte at a time. Similarly, the second classification is character streams. So in character streams, we can perform reading and writing of data in a Java program 2 bytes at a time. So what is the advantage? It increases the performance of reading and writing operations in a Java program, and internally these character streams uses byte stream classes and its methods to perform reading and writing operation. So character streams are like wrapper classes for byte streams. An example goes like this. So here we have input stream, output stream classes at the top, and here in character streams we have reader class and writer class and its subclasses. So coming to buffered writer class. So buffered writer class is a character IO stream. It is a character IO stream. It is available in java.io package. So what it will do? It writes data to output writer. Output writer means output stream. Example, file as 2 bytes of character data. And internally, it provides a temporary character buffer. So temporary character buffer. So first, and that temporary character buffer is this one, CB of type character array. It is a data member which is available in buffered writer class. So what happens exactly when we write the data using buffered writer class? First data will go to temporary character buffer CB of type character array, and then from there the data will go to the output writer, which is file. So this is what is temporary character buffer. So temporary character buffer, it allows us to write the data first to the temporary buffer and then to the file. So what is the advantage? So the advantage goes like this. So advantage is when multiple people are accessing same file in Java programming. So when multiple people, or we can say that when multiple threads are accessing same file in Java programming, then such file data is used parallelly. So such file data is used parallelly. So in that situation, if the file is being used by any other people, then our data will be safe in the character buffer. So if that file is busy, okay, is being used by some other thread, then our data will be available in temporary character buffer, and once file is free, then our data will be returned to that file. So when multiple threads are using or accessing the same file in Java programming, and we are writing the data onto that particular file, but the file is being used by some other thread. So some other thread means some other programming logic. In that situation, our data will be available in temporary character buffer, and once the file becomes free, then our data will be written onto that file. So this is how temporary buffer, character buffer plays an important role in writing the data from program to buffer and from buffer to the output writer, which is a file. This is the main advantage. So the hierarchy of this class goes like this. So BufferedWriter class, which is similar to buffered output stream in byte streams, is inherited from writer abstract class, and writer abstract class is similar to output stream class. So if we get into the constructors and methods, description of a class java p-p java.io.bufferedWriter. So BufferedWriter class is inherited from writer class. So writer class is a top level class in character IO streams. So this BufferedWriter class, it provides a temporary buffer, character array CB. First data will go to the character array temporary buffer, and from there it will go to the file. So this is the BufferedWriter constructor, for which we have to pass writer here. So generally we will pass FileWriter object as parameter. The second one, BufferedWriter writer object, and then int. Int indicates the size of the character buffer we can decide here. And the methods are same here. Write integer data as character data onto the output stream, flush, close. And if we go to the base class, java p-p java.io.writer. So in the base class we have write character array, write string data also. And all these methods throws IOException. And coming to the constructor of BufferedWriter, so BufferedWriter constructor does not throw any exception. So all the methods of base class can be used with subclass object. So these are the two constructors, writer comma int, and then write of int, write character array, write string, flush. So flush is used to clear the temporary buffer. So once we flush or close, then only the data will be written onto the file. So this is what is the importance of temporary buffer. Close closes the output stream. So method throws IOException, which is a checked exception. So try catch is compulsory. And coming to the important point, so data from temporary character buffer is written to output writer only if we perform flush or close the output stream methods. So this is one of the important point. Unless and until the data will not be written onto the output stream or output writer, which is a file. So we are going to use a file here, right? So now let us demonstrate this with a small program, BufferedWriter class example1.java. So take a new page. First we'll write the comments, program to write data on a file using BufferedWriter class. So initially take the package java.io package, take the main class with main method BufferedWriter class example1.java, and save this program in our working directory. So program execution starts with main, and we are writing the logic for BufferedWriter completely in the try block, and then followed by catch. So any exception, IOException, or any other file related exception will be caught by exception class C and prints exception type and message. So first let us go to FileWriter class. So yeah, BufferedWriter class. So here we have to write the data onto the file. So first we'll create an object of FileWriter, fw new FileWriter, and we are opening a new file ccc.txt. So initially this file is not there, it will create a new file. Next, we are creating an object of BufferedWriter, and for this BufferedWriter we are passing FileWriter object as parameter. So first we'll directly write string. String is a collection of character and each character is 2 bytes. So I'm taking a string ss, new string, hello, welcome to SriSai IT Hub, new line. So BufferedWriter write ss. So first this ss data will go to the temporary buffer which is available in the memory, automatically created for every BufferedWriter object, and from there when we say flush or close, BufferedWriter.flush or close, it will go to the file, right? So let us save this program. Command prompt. So go to your working directory and compile the program. BufferedWriter class example 1.java. Compile it and run it. So Java BufferedWriter class example 1. So now the data will be written onto the file. So open the file and check it out. So notepad ccc.txt. So hello, welcome to SriSai IT Hub, and a new line. So the cursor is blinking in the next line. So now we can also convert this into append mode using FileWriter class. So for this FileWriter class here, we can pass ccc.txt true. So if we recompile and rerun the program, it will become the append mode. So recompile and rerun. Open the notepad. So hello, welcome to SriSai IT Hub 2 times in the second line, and the cursor is blinking on the third line. Now from the third line, what we will do is we are going to write the data as multi-line input from keyboard from the third line, right? It goes like this. So let us put a comment for this first case using a string. So initially we are opening a file, associating that file with BufferedWriter class, and then using keyboard input data, I'm taking a string buffer sb char ch to accept character by character from keyboard, and printing a message, enter multi-line text till tilde. So tilde is a special character. Till that character we are going to accept the input data from keyboard. So how we are controlling this input from keyboard? Using while loop with a condition. So the while loop condition goes like this: system.in.read. So read is a method which is available in input stream class, and system.in indicates keyboard. So from keyboard it will accept 1 byte of data and returns that as integer. So convert that int data into char data and store that in ch. And then we are checking whether ch is not equals to tilde. So unless and until we enter tilde, it keeps on accepting input data from keyboard and stores that in ch. So each character what we are storing in ch, we are appending that to string buffer. So in string buffer class we have append method. Append means adding from the end. Adding from the end. So end of a string, it will keep on adding character by character till we enter tilde. So once we enter tilde, come out of the while loop. After coming out of the while loop, we are converting that string buffer SB into string by creating the string class object and passing string buffer object as a parameter to the constructor of string class. And then finally we are closing buffered, we are writing that string data with multi-line input available in SS to BufferedWriter, and BufferedWriter will write the data onto the file ccc.txt, this file, and that too in append mode from the end of the file. Right, and finally we have to say flush, then only it will write the data. In the meantime it will be there in the temporary buffer, and then close. So let us try to compile and run this program. So first save this program, command prompt, so recompile and rerun. So enter multi-line text till tilde character. So in the file we already have some data. Hello, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. So next line, have a nice day, all the best, take care, and bye. Right, now we enter tilde. After tilde, whatever we enter, it will not take. Enter. So it will come out of the while loop because tilde is encountered in that particular fourth line. Right, now open the notepad ccc.txt. So first two lines we have already written using string ss object in case 1. In case 2 we have written that using multi-line input from keyboard, storing that in string buffer to string, and then string to our BufferedWriter, and from BufferedWriter to FileWriter in append mode. So close this. So this is how we are supposed to work with BufferedWriter class to store or to write the data onto the output writer file, and internally it provides a temporary buffer. So first data will go to the temporary buffer, and from temporary buffer the data will be written onto the file when we say flush or close. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.